Listen to the cry of a broken soul. Some prayers come too late. Some tears fall after the damage is done. This is the cheater's prayer. Me never thought me would lose your love. Me took your heart for granted enough. Every time you call, me turn away, thinking tomorrow would be another day. Me chase the night, me chase the crowd. Me wore my pride like a heavy cloud. Me told myself you will never leave. Know me understand how hearts can grieve. You gave me loyalty, gave me trust, while me let temptation turn love to dust. Every promise that me broke apart left another scar upon your heart. Now the house feels empty without your smile. I've been sitting here for a long, long while, listening to the silence calling your name, knowing me alone caused all this pain. Jah knows me wrong, me can't deny. No excuse can dry these tears me cry. If love could hear this humble plea, would you find forgiveness for me? This is a cheater's prayer. Lord, hear my cry tonight. Me lost a woman who loved me true. Now me searching for the light. This is a cheater's prayer. Please heal the heart me broke. If she never comes back again, let her find the love she deserves. Oh Jah, teach me how to be a better man before it's too late. Me remember every word you said. One day you'll miss me when we're gone instead. Me laughed it off, me walked away. Never thought you'd leave one day. Now another man is holding your hand, giving you the love me failed to understand. Me can't even blame nobody else. Me build this prison by myself. Every lonely sunrise reminds me still, some broken hearts never truly heal. Me hear your laughter inside my dreams, then wake alone beside empty sheets. Me trade it forever for one foolish night. Now every morning feels colder than ice. Me wish me could turn back the hands of time, undo every selfish crime. This is a cheater's prayer. Lord, hear my cry tonight. Me lost the angel you gave to me. Now me drowning in regret inside. This is a cheater's prayer. Please carry these tears away. Even if she never comes back home, bless her every single day. Love is precious, don't play with a faithful heart. Because when trust is broken, sometimes sorry cannot fix it. My final understand, faithfulness is richer than gold. Respect is stronger than pride, and honesty keeps love alive. If another chance should come someday, and never let temptation lead me astray. May we treasure every little kiss, never take true love for granted again. To every brother here in this song, don't wait until your woman's gone. Hold her close while she's still near. Don't replace her love with temporary thrill. A faithful woman is a priceless jewel. Don't let foolishness make you cruel, because when she finally walks away, no amount of tears can make her stay. So me lift my hands toward the sky with a broken heart and humble cry. Jah forgive the man me used to be, and set this wounded spirit free. This is a cheater's prayer, one last cry from my soul. Me learn too late what true love means. Now I'm paying every toll. This is a cheater's prayer. May somebody hear these words. Protect the love that's in your hands before it's gone forever. Oh Jah, guide every heart to walk in truth. us to love before it's too late. Yeah, man. Every action has a consequence. Every lie leaves a scar, but every lesson can change your heart. To every lover, hold on to the one who loves you honestly, because some prayers are whispered only after love has already walked away. Jesus pray, God bless. Oh, child, when the road gets rough and the night seems long, me still lift my eyes to the sky, 'cause deep inside me still believe. Me wake up every morning with a grateful soul. The life has tried to break me and steal my hope. The sun still rises over the Caribbean Sea, reminding me Jah never gives up on me. Me stumble sometimes, me lose my way, but Jah's mercy finds me every day. Every mountain standing in front of me eyes, me know one day me will rise. People said my dreams would never come true. They laughed at everything me planned to do, but me never let their words decide. Me kept the fire burning deep inside. Even through the darkest night, Jah keeps shining His holy light. When me weak, He makes me strong. That's why me keep holding on. I believe better days are coming for me. I believe Jah will set my spirit free. No matter how hard the journey may seem, me still hold on to every dream, with faith inside and love to give. I believe, I believe, I believe, I believe. Me I've seen tears falling like rain. Me have walked through heartbreak and pain. Still my heart refuses to quit, because Jah's fire still burns in it. Every failure became a lesson learned. Every bridge me cross was earned. The road may bend, but me won't fall. Jah's voice keeps answering my call. Me know tomorrow can change today. The darkest clouds will fade away. Every seed planted in faith will grow. In Jah's perfect time, you know. I believe love is stronger than the pain. I believe joy will find my heart again. No matter what the people say, we'll keep walking Jah's own way, with hope inside and eyes that see. I believe, I believe. Oh Jah, thank you for every blessing. Thank you for every lesson. Even the storms made me stronger. Even the waiting made me wiser. I know your timing never fails. I know your promises are true. So me sing this song for everyone who feels like hope is almost gone. Don't give up till the road gets steep. Jah watches over those who keep. Lift your head and dry your eyes. Every sunrise brings new life. The dream inside your heart is real, and one day every wound will heal. My faith is deeper than the ocean blue. My trust Jah in everything I do. To every valley and every climb, His love is with me all the time. I believe miracles are on the way. I believe Jah will make a brighter day. Every mountain, every sea cannot stop what's meant for me. With courage strong and spirit free, I believe, I believe. Oh Jah, forever me believe. Oh, yeah man, faith is stronger than fear. Hope is stronger than doubt. Love is stronger than hate. Keep believing, keep praying, keep moving forward, because Jah never forgets His children. I believe, I believe, I believe. Yeah, man. Oh, from Kingston to Negril, feel the sunshine, feel the ocean breeze. This one is from a beautiful island, sweet Jamaica. My heart belongs to you. Wake up to the sunshine touching me face. Morning breeze moving with amazing grace. Blue sky above and the sea so bright. Every little moment feels just right. Palm trees dancing to the reggae beat. Children laughing in the neighborhood street. The smell of jerk cooking in the air. Love and music everywhere. From the mountains down to the golden sand. There's no sweeter place in all the land. Every smile tells a story true. Sweet Jamaica, me love you. When the music starts to play, everybody sway. Leave your worries far behind. Peace is easy to find. Sweet Jamaica, you are paradise to me. Land of sunshine, love and freedom, as far as the eye can see. Sweet Jamaica, every heartbeat sings your name. From the beaches to the blue mountains, me forever feel the same. Oh yeah, sweet Jamaica, my soul belongs to you. People gather when the evening comes, moving together to the island drums. Every voice singing harmony, living life so naturally. Sunset painting the western sky, birds still flying way up high. The moonlight shining on the sea, just like Jah intended it to be. Me love the culture, me love the sound. Positive vibes all around. Every stranger feels like family. That's the island's destiny. Sweet Jamaica, you are paradise to me. Land of sunshine, love and freedom, as far as the eye can see. Sweet Jamaica, every heartbeat sings your name. Your beauty never fades away. You'll forever stay the same. One love, one heart, let's come together and never part. Raise your hands to the sky above. Fill this island with peace and love. No matter where me roam someday, me heart will never drift away. Every sunrise brings another chance to sing, to smile, to laugh and dance. The waves keep rolling on the shore, making me love this island more. Me thank Jah for every day, for guiding every step me take. No matter where life carries me, Jamaica lives inside of me. The spirit strong, the people kind, a richer treasure you'll never find. Forever proud, forever free. This island means the world to me. Sweet Jamaica, forever in my soul. Yeah, your love and music lift me higher and make my spirit whole. Sweet Jamaica, under every shining star, no matter where my journey takes me, home is where you are. Oh yeah, sweet Jamaica, my heart will always sing. Yeah man, feel the sunshine, feel the rhythm, feel the love. From the mountains to the ocean blue. One love, one island, sweet Jamaica. Sweet Jamaica. Yeah man, give thanks and praise to the King of Kings. From the rising of the sun to the setting of the same. Me heart belong to Jah forever. Every morning when me open me eyes, me see your mercy painted in the skies. The birds keep singing a brand new song, reminding me where me belong. Through every valley, through every climb, you never left me one single time. When me was weak and almost fell, your loving arms held me so well. The world may change like the rolling sea, but your love remains faithfully. Me lift my hands with a grateful heart, knowing we'll never be apart. Jah, you are my shelter in every storm. You keep me safe, you keep me warm. No fear can stand where your love stays. Me will praise you all my days. Forever loving Jah, forever singing your praise. Me trust you through the night, me worship all my days. Forever loving Jah, you are the light me see. Your amazing grace surrounds me life. Your truth has set me free. Oh Jah, me heart belongs to you. Oh, forever loving Jah. When the road gets rough and the burden grows, you're the only one who truly knows. You calm the storm with just one word. Your gentle voice is always heard. You gave me hope when hope was gone. You made me brave, you made me strong. Every blessing that fills me soul comes from the one who makes me whole. Me don't need riches to make me smile. Your faithful love is more worthwhile. Every breath that we receive today is another reason to give you praise. Forever loving Jah, forever standing strong. With every beat inside me heart, you'll always be my song. every sunset, in every heartbeat. Me will praise your holy name. One love, one faith, one Savior, forever loving Jah. Yeah, man. Oh, Jah. Some people search forever, some people wait a lifetime, then one day love finds you. Me never knew a heart could feel this way, till you walked into my life one day. Like the sunrise breaking through the rain, you brought joy where there was pain. Me was drifting like a lonely sea, never knowing who was meant for me. Then your smile changed everything, like the birds that greet the spring. Me looked in your eyes and found my home. No more feeling all alone. Every heartbeat whispered true, this love was meant for you. Sometimes the love comes quietly, like the gentle ocean breeze. When you least expect its light, it changes everything inside. When love finds you, hold it with all your heart. Don't let fear or pride tear two souls apart. When love finds you, treasure every day, 'cause a love that's true is a blessing from Jah's way. Oh girl, me thank Jah for the day love found us. We don't need silver, we don't need gold. Your faithful love is worth much more. Every laugh and every kiss are little pieces of heavenly bliss. Walking hand in hand by the sea feels like paradise to me. The waves keep singing our melody, a song of love and harmony. When the storms begin to rise, me see courage in your eyes. Together we can face it all. With Jah beside us, we will never fall. When love finds you, don't ever let it fade. Build it every single day, with every promise made. Oh, when love finds you, give your heart completely. The greatest gift in life is loving someone deeply. Oh, you are the answer to a prayer the dream I never knew was waiting. Love isn't perfect, but it's beautiful when two hearts choose each other every day. Yeah. Years may pass and seasons change, but our love will stay the same. The stars may fade before the dawn, but our hearts will carry on. Me promise through the highs and lows, wherever life decides to go, you'll never walk this road alone. With you is where me belong. Every sunrise starts anew, and every day me choose you. Because true love isn't chance alone, it's two hearts making one home. When love finds you, thank Jah every day. Hold each other close, never walk away. When love finds you, let your heart believe the sweetest blessings in this life are the ones we don't expect to receive. Oh yeah, when love finds you, forever feels so true. Yeah man, love is a gift, not everyone finds it. So when it finds bless you, protect it, cherish it, and thank Jah every day. 'Cause when love finds you, life will never be the same. Yeah, man. Oh, Jah, love is not just words, it's sacrifice. You're standing strong when the road gets rough. Girl, we will do whatever it takes. From the moment you walked into my life, you brought peace where there was endless strife. Like the morning sun upon the sea, you became everything to me. We never knew our love so deep. I promise my heart was meant to keep. Every smile upon your face makes this world a better place. Me will climb every mountain high, cross every river, touch the sky. Nothing in this world can break the love we made together. When the rain starts falling down, me will never leave your side. When the whole world turns around, you'll always be my guide. Whatever it takes, me will fight for our love, with Jah as my witness and the stars above. Whatever it takes, me will never let go. You're the beat of me heart, the only love me know. Through every storm, through every pain, me will choose you again and again. Me don't promise a perfect life without heartache, tears or strife, but me promise these hands will hold your heart until we both grow old. Every sunrise reminds me why you're the blessing in my life. No matter what tomorrow brings, you're the reason my soul sings. When your smile begins to fade, me will lift the weight you've carried. Together we can face the night until the morning brings its light. Whatever it takes, me will stand by your side, with every heartbeat, with every stride. Oh, whatever it takes, me will never run away. Me will love you stronger every single day. Oh, girl, love is patient, love is kind. It isn't measured by easy days, but by the moments we refuse to give up. Me choose you today, me choose you tomorrow, me choose you forever. Years may pass like the ocean tide, still my heart stays by your side. Silver hair and wrinkled hands, we'll still dance to the same sweet bind. Every prayer me lift above is filled with gratitude and love. Jah brought two hearts into one, all forever has just begun. If the whole world fades away, one thing forever me will say: you're the greatest gift me ever found, the sweetest love me've ever known. Whatever it takes, me will love you till the end, not just as my lover, but my closest friend. Oh, whatever it takes, me will never leave your heart. No distance, no time could keep us apart. We just bless you with love so true. We'll spend forever loving only you. Yeah, man. True love isn't about giving up, It's about holding on when the world gets heavy and the road gets long. Me'll still be standing, whatever it takes, forever.